Good Friday afternoon, everyone. 12:24 p.m. So far, things have been mostly quiet on the radar. We did see a few tiny showers in the lower valley. Those have dissipated. And the rain chances for the rest of the day should be 10% or less. So most people will stay dry for this afternoon. All the heavy rains continue in parts of the Midwest and the Southeast thanks to Harvey's remnants. Now, Cincinnati, Batesville, Indiana, getting the rain from Harvey's remnants, southern Ohio as well, and northern West Virginia as they push toward the north. Meanwhile, here in the valley, temperatures right now in the low to mid 90s, mid 90s here in Weslaco, upper 80s in Rio Grande City. Your day planner forecast, if you're outside for today, please do take it easy. Drink lots and lots of water. Temperatures will be in the upper 90s at 3 p.m. Mostly sunny skies, hot and humid, 96 at 6 p.m. We're back to the mid 80s at 9 o'clock this evening. And we have plenty of football games this evening. The high schools football games for tonight will start off in the lower 90s at 7 o'clock this evening under mostly clear skies, but it is going to feel hot and humid. And by the end of the game, the temperature should be in the mid 80s under mostly clear skies. All right, I regret I have to even talk about this, but apparently there has been a fake Facebook post circulating about a supposed forecast track for Hurricane Irma taking it to the Gulf of Mexico and Texas. We want to repeat, this is a fake post, and we know it's fake because this is not from the Hurricane Center, and also the Hurricane Center's official forecast tracks only go out to 5 days. So again, if you see this particular post that you see on the screen, this is a fake post. Here are the official numbers on Hurricane Irma right now. Maximum winds 110 miles per hour. It's Category 2 hurricane, moving to the west-northwest at 13 miles an hour. There's the forecast track taking it to the west-southwest and then to turn back to the west-northwest. So by Tuesday and Wednesday, this forecast cone takes Irma very close to the Leeward Islands. Afterwards, it's still uncertain as to where Irma may head, but let me show you the computer forecast models, and most of them are in pretty good agreement in taking Irma toward the western Atlantic Ocean, perhaps by the middle of next week. Keep it tuned to Channel 5 News for the latest on Irma. In the eastern Pacific, we have Tropical Storm Lydia. Maximum winds are 60 miles per hour, causing all sorts of problems for Baja California and Cabo San Lucas. There's a forecast track. Look at that, almost parallel to the Baja coast, and then weakening as the depression as it moves off into the colder Pacific waters by next week. Back home in the U.S., it should be mainly dry for today. We will watch a weak area of low pressure in the Gulf of Mexico. It is not expected to develop, but it may give us a little better chance of some showers or thunderstorms starting Sunday into Monday. We'll also watch a little disturbance from the north and upper disturbance coming in from the north that will add to those rain chances. So our rain chances start to increase by Labor Day Monday into Tuesday and Wednesday, but there's even better news, folks. After a lot of hot weather, we are awaiting an early front that should make its way into the valley by Wednesday. So behind that front, it should be a bit cooler, especially by the morning. Hopefully, if everything goes through, we should have temperatures by Thursday morning. Get this, in the upper 60s when you wake up. On the water for this afternoon, we'll have winds from the southeast to east at 5 to 10 knots. The bay waters are a light chop. Next tide is a low tide at 6:38 this evening, and the seas are 1 to 3 feet. So for today, stay cool out there. Mainly sunny, mainly dry, less than a 10% chance of shower. Hot and humid with high temperatures in the upper 90s. Then for tonight, a few clouds. It is warm and muggy with low temperatures in the mid 70s. Here's that 7-day forecast. Highs are in the upper 90s tomorrow. We'll throw in a 20% chance of some showers Sunday. We up those rain chances to 40% for Labor Day Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. But look at that, folks. Those highs will be cooler next week. We're back to the upper 80s Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And if that front does arrive, we should have morning lows perhaps in the upper 60s by next Thursday. That's your first Warn 5 forecast. Now here's Gabby.